Isang Pinay international student ang nagtapos bilang valedictorian sa isang eskwelahan sa Calgary. Pero kinailangan po ng Pinay na dating OFW sa Dubai ang mag-triple job sa Alberta para lamang matustusan ng kanyang pag-aaral. Narito ang report. 13 taon ding nagtrabaho sa Dubai si Richelle Pehana at bagamat walang kasiguraduhan sa Canada, iniwan niya ang maganda na nilang buhay sa Dubai.
Napakaganda po talaga ng life namin sa Dubai. Napakaswerte po namin sa company, yung mga boss po namin. As talagang amazing po talaga sila, very supportive. Kaya lang po, in Dubai, it's not permanent. Temporary lang po talaga siya. So, hindi po siya advisable talaga sa family. Lalo na po kami, may 3 po kaming anak.
Taong 2023, nagsimulang maging international student si Pehana sa Southern Alberta Institute of Technology o SAIT. 2 taon niyang kinuha ang kursong Project and Supply Management at nitong graduation noong May 24, siya ang tinanghal na class valedictorian.
I am grateful and humbled to be here in front of you today. This special day not only marks the celebration of our accomplishments, but also honors the resilience, bravery, and unwavering spirit each of us carries within.
I was really surprised when the school sent me an email po ay na, valedictorian ka, ganyan. So, noong una po, I did not believe it kasi hindi ko po talaga inisip na maging ganon. I just did my best.
Pero hindi biro ang pinagdaanan ni Pehana. Isinabay niya ang hirap ng pag-aaral sa 3 trabahong kailangan niyang gawin para matupad ang inaasam na Canadian dream.
Alam niyo naman po yung tuition fee, talagang ginapang po namin siya. So, kaya ginawa namin, while nag-aaral ako, at the same time, nagtatrabaho po ako. I had 3 jobs po. In the morning, I am here in the office. And then in the evening, I was working as a stocker. And then weekend, I was working as a cashier in an auto industry.
Dumating pa nga daw sa punto na kine-question na niya ang sarili kung bakit pa sila nag-migrate ng Canada.
There will be nights that I barely slept. Like, I will come from work physically and mentally drained, and then the next day you have to show up in school and at the same time be the best parent of your kids. So napakahirap po talaga ng situations.
Pero lahat ng hirap napawi nang makuha niya ang pinakamataas na parangal sa kanyang buhay.
To my fellow graduates, as we step into the next chapter of our lives, let us remember that every struggle we face has brought us closer to this moment. Let us continue to strive for excellence, not just for ourselves, but for those who believe in us.
May mga time po talaga na bigla kang iiyak kasi ito ba yung pinili ko? Like, you will have second thoughts. You will be questioning if you have made your right choice. Pero don't give up and always ask guidance po talaga sa Panginoon po.
At labis nga ang naging pagpapala sa kanya dahil isang araw lamang matapos siyang gumraduate, lumabas naman ang aprobadong PR application ng kanyang asawa.
This path is hard, no doubt about it. So there will be days that you will be overwhelmed or like you're feeling you're not making progress. But that's totally normal. Just don't give up. And also don't be afraid to ask for help.
Sana niya ay maging inspirasyon ang kanyang kwento sa mga kapwa international students na tila nais ng sumuko sa hirap na pinagdadaanan. Isipin lamang daw palagi ang mga dahilan kung bakit ginagawa ito at ang pangarap ng magandang buhay dito sa Canada.